Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make one ingredient no glue slime. So yeah, also guys, a hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... Also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. In the comments down below, give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make one ingredient no glue slime. And I'm sorry the setup is really weird right now. I've been trying to get like a new setup for the past few weeks. And right now I'm just going to deal with this one right now. But yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make one ingredient no glue slime. And this recipe is so simple because all the ingredients, which is only one ingredient, is most likely found in your house. And I know right now, like, you're probably super bored at home and you just want to make slime. So I'm going to show you guys how to make one ingredient no glue slime. Okay, so the ingredients, you guys, when you make this slime recipe today is any type of thick soap. So I have a variety right here. So this one right here is Garnier Fructis, and it's just a shampoo. And this one's like super tiny. I got it from Walmart a few weeks ago. And then I have Johnson's baby shampoo. And then last but not least, we have Suave Kids, and all these soaps are super thick for slime, and I've tested out every single soap right here in past videos, and they work super great. So if you have these at home, try them out, or any type of thick soap can work as well. But for the video, I'm going to be using the Suave Kids shampoo because this one works really well, and some of my first ever no glue slime recipes I actually used this soap, and it worked awesome. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime with that. So that's all you need for the ingredients, but then you also will need a bowl or plate to make your slime in, and last but not least, you'll need a mixing tool. So the first thing you have to do is just add your soap into the container. And this one's green, which is actually pretty cool. I haven't tried this one out. Like, I've tried different things by the same brand, but I didn't try out this specific soap. But I'm excited to see if it works just like how the other ones work. And now I'm just going to get mixing it up, and that's really the only step you have to do. Is just mix it up till a lot of air bubbles form. Okay, so that is enough mixing, and all you got to do now is put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours, and every 30 minutes you're going to want to take it out. So about 4 times while it's in there, you're going to take it out and mix it up and see how it's working, because that will actually help it form much thicker. So I'll see you guys in about a second when it's done. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours, and I actually added some more soap into the actual bowl because it wasn't really forming. I need to make it a little bit thicker, but here it is, and I've been mixing it up. And you can tell already that slime has formed and that it's basically a slime consistency. I'm really surprised this one works. I haven't tried it with the soap yet, and oh my gosh, it's spilling everywhere. But here it is, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it better. But slime did form, and I'm going to try like getting it out. But it made a really cool, like, weird slime consistency. This one reminds me a lot of the Dollar Tree slime. If you've ever been to Dollar Tree, you might know what I'm talking about. It's like the goo slime that comes in a little container. It feels just like it. And I'm going to actually try mixing it up some more to see if I can form it into a better slime. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay, so I actually went through the entire slime, and I picked out the actual slime that formed. And you can see it here now. This one was super messy to make, so maybe ask your parents permission before you make slime because it's super messy. But you can see the slime consistency right here. And it formed a really cool slime. It's pokeable and everything. It's very sticky though because I didn't leave it in long enough. But it made slime, which is what really no glue slime is just to make slime. So yeah, so this recipe was a big win-win for me. And I hope you guys try it out with like any types of soaps that I showed you guys here. Again, you can try out these ones. And this one was a newer one, so I tried it out and it worked pretty awesome. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. And in the comments down below, give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace. Thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!